It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator.
Who was the point on? Point on. Charity's first time? I'm sorry, Charity's first. She ain't do all. It was good. I need y'all to be snitches, man. I need a whole pile of snitches. Just for this 1 5 seconds. I know, sis. Y'all want kids, y'all want more love. You come up here. I need you up here. You done had a hard day of midterms. Yeah, I need you up here. Which one was it? All right, let's go off. Let's go off. Let's go off. Oh, my Charlotte people, y'all falling early, man. Hey. You know Charlotte people don't follow that way.
Watch out for the big. Watch out for the big girl. 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 Watch out for the big girl.
Y'all like that? Sometimes we concentrate on it on top. You don't broke your back. You don't broke that back. He hold that back. He would have fell off Charity Sherelle Thomas. It would have been over. Let's go. A little trouble. All on straight, all on good. They good? Alright. Alright, let's go on. Let's go on. Good job, baby. Good job. One more. Ulysses. They good? Alright. Ulysses. Mr. Fox. Alright. Remember Charity Sherelle Thomas, you gotta dance hard. Over there chilling. And be concentrated on the music style. Charity Sherelle Thomas. Let's go.
There's some hoes in this house. There's some hoes in this house. There's some